So, dear, we will start here the chapter number two, polynomial. Okay. So, first of all, I want to tell you that what is polynomial. पॉलिनोमियल से आप पहले भी परिचित थे, क्लास 9 में भी आपने पॉलिनोमियल चैप्टर को पढ़ा था। तो यहाँ पे हम लोग फिर से कुछ चीजें तो वही पढ़ेंगे जो क्लास 9th में आपने पढ़ रखी थी, और न्यू कुछ और भी हैं, उनको आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे। ठीक है। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट इज पॉलिनोमियल? एन एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन it is dear, an algebraic expression of the form. And what is the form? It is px equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square and plus and so on. After that, an and x to the power of n. So this form is known as polynomial, in which x is the variable, okay, and a1, a2, a3, these are real numbers. A0, A1, and so on up to AN, these are real numbers. So this is the definition of polynomial, but here is the necessary condition that an is not equal to 0. मीन्स जो लास्ट हाईएस्ट पावर है वो 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. देन वी कैन से दैट दिस इज ए polynomial. And in this polynomial, these are term. This is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, and so on. Up to last, you can say that there are n terms in this polynomial. How many terms? N terms. Okay. Now, how can you find the degree of polynomial? So next thing is degree of polynomial. You can identify degree of the polynomial by the observing highest degree, highest power, highest exponent of the variable given in the question or polynomial. जो पॉलिनोमियल में आपको हाईएस्ट पावर दिया होगा, हाईएस्ट डिग्री दी हुई होगी, हाईएस्ट एक्सपोनेंट दिया होगा, उसका आप वैल्यू देख के बता सकते हैं कि इसका डिग्री क्या होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हियर वी राइट एन पॉलिनोमियल. तो पहले यहां पे आपको लिख लेना होगा कि डिग्री होता क्या है. हाईएस्ट एक्सपोनेंट्स of only variable So let us example here for this. And here is the first example. Px equal to x plus x square plus 3x. Okay. So here you can observe that variable is x and the highest degree in both variable is both term is 2. Therefore, degree of this polynomial is always 2. Here, degree of this polynomial equal to 2. Why 2? Because the highest exponents in both term is 2. So we can say that this is the highest degree and highest exponent and highest power. So it is known as what? Known as degree of this polynomial. Let us another example for this. We have to write py. Example number 2. Py equal to y raised to the power of 3 plus 2y minus 30. So in this polynomial, you can observe that first term 3. So highest is 1 and 3 is 3. So you can say that this is the polynomial in the variable of y and having the highest degree 3. Highest exponent is 3. So you can say that here degree of this polynomial is 3. In the same way, you can find the degree of different polynomial. But I want to tell you that you can represent the polynomial by the different notation. That's px is the notation of polynomial, rx is the notation of polynomial, gx is the notation of polynomial, qx is the notation of polynomial, fx is the notation of polynomial, and this x is denoted that represent that the polynomial having the variable x. What if we write here fy, then this represents that polynomial having the variable y, only y. Okay, so this is which you see just into the under bracket denote that the variable which is the variable. Okay, and this first letter is noted variable. Okay, so you can find the degree of different variable and identify the polynomial having which variable. Okay, now next one thinks how many types of polynomial you know. So types of polynomial. So dear, in class 9, you learn about the types of polynomial. Okay, and how many types of polynomial you know. There's linear polynomial. This is the first one. And the second one is quadratic polynomial. And third one is cubic polynomial. And how can you identify this is linear, this is quadratic, and this is cubic? So dear, if a polynomial having the degree 1, if a polynomial having degree 1, that is a linear polynomial. For example, 2x plus 3, and let this is px equal to. So this is the linear polynomial. Why? The degree of this polynomial is only 1. So you can say that this is linear polynomial. And the second example, let ry equal to 3y minus 8. So this y is represent, the variable is y, and again the highest degree of this variable is 1. So this is a linear polynomial. And about the quadratic polynomial, what do you know about the quadratic polynomial? What is the meaning of quadratic polynomial? If a polynomial having degree 2, if a polynomial having degree 2, then this type of polynomial is known as quadratic polynomial. For example, if you write here such that qx equal to x square only, so this is a quadratic polynomial. Second one example, let us rx equal to 3 plus 2x square. This is also a quadratic polynomial because highest degree of the variable is 2. So 100% this is a quadratic polynomial. And let's one more, gx equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. So in this polynomial, you can observe that there are three terms, and the term number 1 having the highest degree 2. So this is a quadratic polynomial. And now moving for next thing, that is cubic polynomial. So what do you mean by cubic polynomial? If a polynomial having degree 3, then that type of polynomial always a cubic polynomial. But how can you say this is a cubic polynomial? Let us try to understand with the example. Fx equal to x cube only. So this is a cubic polynomial. And next one example, px equal to x cube minus 5x only. So this is a cubic polynomial. And third one, let's more example, rx equal to 20 minus x square plus 5x cube. So you can observe that in the third term, term number 1, term number 2, term number 3, having the highest degree 3. So this is a cubic polynomial. Okay. So there are these three types of polynomial just based on degree. And next one, sometimes you will got another polynomial having degree 4. So this polynomial is known as biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial, if a polynomial have degree 4, then always you can say that this is a biquadratic polynomial. What this is out of syllabus, अभी आपके सिलेबस में ये नहीं है, लेकिन कभी कभी जो रीडिंग बेस्ड क्वेश्चन होते हैं, वैल्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चन होते हैं, उसमें इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आ जाता है कि अगर डिग्री 4 है तो वो क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल किस टाइप का होगा, या बाई क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल क्या होता है, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ बाई क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल. सो दिस इज द थिंग्स दैट what is identification of biquadratic polynomial. If a polynomial having degree 4, then that type of polynomial is always known as biquadratic polynomial. Now some polynomial just based on the terms. Monomial. If a polynomial having only one term, polynomial having degree 1, oh sorry, polynomial having not degree, term 1, only term, just based on term, then that is known as monomial. For example, 5, px equal to 5. So this here, this is known as monomial because this polynomial have only one term. Second one example, rx equal to 3x. This is also a monomial. And let's more example, qx equal to x raised to the power of 100. So this is also a monomial. And next one, number 2, binomial. Binomial means if a polynomial having degree 2, having term 2, polynomial having two terms. So that type of polynomial always known as binomial. For example, px equal to 3x square minus 2. This is a binomial. And the next one, gy equal to 5 plus 7 y raised to the power of 7. So this polynomial having two terms. So this is also a binomial. You cannot observe here degree of the variable. You will count only term. This is first term and this is the second term. So there are only two terms. You can say that this is binomial polynomial. And after that, moving for next three, and this one is trinomial. And a polynomial having three terms. So this type of polynomial is known as trinomial. For example, let's it is fx equal to 15 minus 2x plus 3x square. So you can count here how many terms in this polynomial. It has one term, second term, third term. So this is known as the ट्राइनोमियल हैविंग थ्री टर्म. आपको टर्म काउंट करने हैं और याद रखिएगा टर्म हमेशा साइन से सेपरेट होता है. 15 आफ्टर दैट यू विल गेट नेगेटिव साइन. So first term is complete. And now 2x. After that you will get plus sign. So it means second term is complete. Now moving for third term. So 3x square. This is totally known as third term. So there are three terms in this polynomial. You can say that this is trinomial. And if a polynomial having more than three terms, then always we can say that these are polynomial. तो यहाँ पे ये भी polynomial है. Polynomial having one term, that is monomial polynomial. This is binomial polynomial and this is trinomial polynomial. Okay. So this is the types of polynomial. Now, how can you find the coefficient of the polynomial? Coefficient of polynomial. So dear, the multiple of variable always known as the coefficient of that polynomial. So let us try to understand it with an example. Let's this is a polynomial px equal to 3x cube minus 7x square plus 5x plus 18. You will get this is a polynomial. And now you can say that the coefficient of the term, first term, that is x cube, the coefficient of x cube is 3 and the coefficient of x square is minus 7. Always you will take the negative sign. With sign you will tell that this is a coefficient and this is plus 5. So you can say only 5. 5 is the coefficient of x and this is known as always constant term. ये constant term इससे कोई मतलब नहीं. वेरिएबल के साथ में जो भी रियल नंबर होगा that's known as coefficient of that polynomial. So question says that generally what is the coefficient of x square in this given polynomial? So your answer will be minus 7. Otherwise, the question says that what is the coefficient of x? So you will observe where is the x in this polynomial. So here is the this third term is having x only. So you can say that This polynomial, that is 5 and x, the coefficient of x is 5 plus 5. So this is the answer of this question. Okay. So some more things is remaining in this chapter, that is the in basic concept. So we will learn or we will read other things in the next day on the time given into the timetable. Okay.